Have you ever tried to hold in a sneeze to be polite? Well, you might want to stop doing that. When you sneeze, air travels out of your nose at over 100 miles per hour. If you block the exit, that massive pressure has nowhere to go. It gets forced back into your eustachian tubes. This can cause your eardrums to rupture or even pop blood vessels in your eyes and brain. In extreme cases, the trapped air can even get stuck in your chest or cause a collapsed lung. So, next time you feel a sneeze coming, just let it out.